Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites: admin access, compatible PHP, and a recent backup. Once that's in place, go to Plugin's right arrow, add new, and install Google Sitekit. This begins the authentication flow. Make sure to disable aggressive caching while you configure, because transient errors often appear otherwise. You're taking these steps to ensure Sitekit can verify ownership and access Google APIs without interference, so the plugin can connect smoothly to Analytics, Search Console, and AdSense. When you now authenticate through the Sitekit wizard, click Sign in with Google and choose the account tied to your properties. Grant the requested permissions so Sitekit can read Search Console data and manage Analytics. Once authenticated, select the correct Search Console property and link an existing Analytics property or create a new one. This ensures consistent metrics. Also enable page speed insights to get core web vitals. Take your time with property selection, because mismatches will show incorrect data on your dashboard. Finish by reviewing the Sitekit dashboard to confirm Search Console and Analytics metrics appear. Once data looks correct, re-enable any caching plugins and clear caches so front-end snippets serve properly. If you don't see data or get authentication errors, rerun the setup wizard and revoke, then re-grant Google permissions. Sometimes stale OAuth tokens cause failures. One key troubleshooting tip: check browser pop-up, blocking, and use an incognito window to avoid cookie conflicts when completing Google sign-in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.